Ever feel like your login form looks dull and outdated? Today, I'll show you how to build a stylish, modern, and responsive login form using just HTML and CSS. No media queries. It's fully responsive, clean, and professional, with smooth effects anyone can create. Let's dive into the code. First, add the font and icon links inside the head section. Then, create a div with the class Login. Inside this div, add an image tag. After the image, create a form with the class Login Form. Inside the form, add an H1 heading with the class Login Title. In the image tag, set a background image and add suitable alt text. The heading text should be Login. Next, create a div with the class Login Inputs. Inside it, add a div with the class Login Box for the email field. Inside this box, create an email input field with type email, name email, ID email, a blank placeholder, the class Login Input, and set it to required. Then add a label with for email, the class Login Label, and the text email ID, along with an email icon. Now, create another div with the class Login Box for the password field. Inside it, add a password input with type password, name password, ID password, the same class Login Input, and set it to required. After that, add a label with the text password and a password icon. After the inputs, create a div with the class Login Check inside it. Add a div with the class Login Checkbox. Here, add a checkbox input with type checkbox, ID user check, and the class Login Check Input. Then add a label with for user check and the text Remember Me. Next to it, add an anchor tag with the text Forgot Password and the class Login Forgot. After this, create a Submit button with type Submit, the class Login Button, and the text Login. Finally, create a div with the class Login Register. Inside it, add the text Don't have an account and a register link inside an anchor tag. This completes the login form structure. Now, link your CSS file to style it and make the form modern, clean, and responsive. In the style.css file, we first add some basic styles for the page. At the beginning, you will see a simple text login form. We start by styling the login container. Its position is set to relative so that child elements like the background image can be placed inside it with absolute positioning. The height is set to min height, 100 VH, so it covers the full screen. Using display flex with align item center and justify content center, we center the form both vertically and horizontally. Finally, we add responsive padding with clamp 1 rem, 3 VW, 2 rem, which adjusts between 1 rem and 2 rem depending on the screen size. Now, the login form is centered on the page. Next, we style the IMG tag. We set it to display, block, give it width, 100% and height, 100%, the property object fit. Cover makes sure the image fills the space without stretching, while object position, center keeps it properly centered. We also apply filter, brightness 80% to make the image a little darker, and use position, absolute with inset, 0, so it covers the entire container. Now the image fits the screen perfectly, but there is one problem. The form is not visible because the image is placed on top of it. But if we hide the image, the login form appears clearly. Now let's style the login form. First, we set its position to relative. The width is set up to 450 pixels, but it stays responsive on smaller screens. We use margin inline with clamp to keep the spacing balanced. Then, we set the text color to white and add padding of 2 rem with clamp for flexible inner spacing. If you want to learn more about min, max, and clamp, you can check out our detailed video. The link is in the description. Next, we add a 2-pixel semi-transparent border, give it rounded corners with border radius, and keep the background transparent. Finally, we apply a soft box shadow. This creates a clean white border with a nice shadow, giving the form a modern and elegant look. To create the Glassmorphism effect, we use Backdrop Filter Blur 15 pixels. This adds a smooth blur to the background, making the form look like transparent glass. Now let's style the login title. We set the text to align center, give it a responsive font size using the clamp function, and add a margin at the bottom. This makes the heading neat and well-spaced. Next, we style the login inputs and the login boxes. We use display grid to keep everything aligned. Each login box is set to relative position with a margin at the bottom, so the input fields have proper spacing. Now, let's style the login input fields. We make them full width, add responsive padding with clamp, and set a clean font size. The background is kept transparent, the border is 2 pixels solid white, the border radius is 5 pixels, and we remove the outline. This gives the inputs a modern and clean look. Next, we style the login labels. Each label is placed absolutely inside the box, with top 50% and left 0.5 rem. Using Transform, Translate Y minus 50%, we center it vertically. The label also gets a font size, white text color, and a small background. We also disable pointer events and add a smooth transition effect with ease in out. For spacing, we set the label's padding to 0 on top and bottom, and 0.3 rem on left and right. Right now, the label looks good, but it's still slightly off-center because the input icons are not styled yet. Now let's style the icons inside each input field using Login Box I. We position them absolutely, place them on the right side, and center them vertically with top 50% and Transform, Translate Y minus 50%. The color is set to white and the font size is made responsive. Now, the icon and label look perfectly aligned. Next, let's style the Remember Me and Forgot Password section. Inside Login Check, we add some margin at the bottom for spacing. Both Login Check and Login Checkbox use Flex Display, with space between alignment so the text and checkbox are neatly arranged. The font size is also made responsive. Now the checkbox and text are properly aligned. For the checkbox itself, Login Check Input, we set the width and height to 1 rem, add a small margin on the right, and apply accent color, black. This gives the checkbox a clean and modern look. For the Forgot Password link, Login Forgot, we keep the text white, and on hover it shows an underline to make it look clickable. Now let's style the Login button. Inside Login button, we set the width to 100%, add responsive padding, and a margin bottom of 1 rem. We use a white background, set the border to none, and apply a responsive border radius for rounded corners. The text is styled with bold black color, the font size is set using the clamp function, and the cursor is set to pointer. This makes the button stand out clearly. Next, we style Login Register. It is centered with a small, responsive font size. The anchor tag inside is white with medium font weight, and on hover it shows an underline to highlight the link. Finally, let's add the floating label effect. For login input focus plus login label and login input not placeholder shown plus login label, we move the label upwards, adjust its position, and reduce the font size. This makes the label float smoothly, just like the Google login form. And now, the entire login form is modern, clean, and fully responsive, all without using media queries.